Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. Chicken salad today. We're going to do some grilled chicken with some lovely spices and then plop it on a nice plate of salad. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients. And by the way, and as always, the amounts of everything are going to be in the text below. So we've got one chicken breast there, which I've cut right down the middle to give us two pieces, you know? So they're just a bit thinner. Olive oil, garlic, salt and pepper. And the spices that I'm using today, equal parts of thyme, celery salt, chili and paprika. I'm actually using a smoked paprika. If you can get that, it really is delicious. Or go for the sweet one. Hot paprika, be careful, is basically chili. So, you know, you don't want to put double in. Really simply, we're going to get that in a mixing bowl, give it a little mix up. Okay, mixing bowl, chicken's in, as you can see. Oh, by the way, I've got a sexy glove on because I'm going to get my hand in. Cut them nice and thin, you know. Okay, salt and pepper. Our spices, let's just take one more look. Celery salt, thyme, paprika, chili. Equal amounts of. You can really play around with that, put something different in if you want. Garlic, chopped garlic. Olive oil. In I go. Now, if you want, get some shrink wrap on this. Cover it up, put it in your fridge. Leave it for a couple of hours or overnight, it will be delicious. We're going straight in today. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to be using this pressed grill, you know, like a George Foreman type. This is not actually a George Foreman, but you know what I mean, one of those guys. Now, if you don't have one of these, you can just do this in a frying pan or on a skillet. What we're going to do is grab our chicken, drop that on. Close that down. High heat, I've got mine on high, I'll just put it on. It's going to be about 6 minutes maybe. We'll see you then. Okay, let's have a look, shall we? Oh, yes! Beautiful. Okay, out they come. Set them aside for a minute, we're going to get some salad together. So I just want to get a little salad dressing together. Bit of olive oil. I mean, we're doing a really simple one here today. About the same amount of balsamic vinegar. If you don't have that, you could use lemon or lime juice or regular vinegar. And then here I've got some mustard, a bit of Dijon mustard. Nice hefty amount in there. Just going to give that a quick mix. And we can move on. Okay, so I've got a plate here with some salad on it. I mean, again, you can just vary this around as you like. I've just got some black, green olives, tomato, cucumber, lettuce, bit of lemon, plenty of fresh basil there in the mix, which is lovely. What I'm going to do is just spoon over some of our beautiful dressing. I mean, this really is so easy, this dressing, but delicious. Then grab our chicken. If you want, you can slice it. I'm putting it on just like this. A little bit of juice from it. On it goes, let's not waste that. And there you go. Super easy, simple chicken salad. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Give us a thumbs up, helps us out a lot. Say hello, we like to hear from you. We will see you soon. Keep safe. Lots of love.